before you getting this error which says we need your permission to use this app, open privacy settings and change the settings to allow this app to use your camera and microphone. Well, that makes sense because it's actually asking us to enable the permission for our camera. This application name is also camera because it's a default built-in camera recorder and they have given the same name as a camera. So in order to do this, we have to open the settings and then click privacy and security, and you have to select your camera, and inside that you have to enable this. And of course it's actually on, but why it's still not working? Because we also need to give the microphone the same permission to allow this, because some of my camera may have the inbuilt microphone, so you have to give permission for that as well. So go inside the privacy and security and click the microphone option, and here it's actually turned off, right? So you have to turn it on for the camera and it's working. It's simple as that. So I hope this helps you guys. Feel free to like this video and share your thoughts in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.